What creature on our planet embarks on the longest migration? The answer might surprise you. It's not a mighty whale or a fleet-footed gazelle, but a small, seemingly delicate bird, the Arctic tern. This feathered voyager covers a staggering round-trip distance of around 18,641 miles each year. In a truly epic journey, it travels from the Arctic Circle to the Antarctic Circle and back again. Now imagine for a moment being born during the warmth of the Arctic summer. As an Arctic tern, this is your reality. But this serene calm doesn't last long. The impending harsh, dark Arctic winter looms like a specter. To escape it, you and your kind follow the summer sun, flying south to the Antarctic Circle. But it's not as simple as flying in a straight line. The path the Arctic terns choose is far from direct. It weaves and wins, stretching the journey even further. This dance across the globe, this quest for the summer sun, is a direct result of the Earth's tilt, which causes different hemispheres to experience varying seasons. Before this grand departure, a period of silence descends upon the colony, a behavior known as dread. A palpable tension fills the air. Then, as if on cue, the Arctic terns collectively abandon their nests, embarking on a journey that is not just an adventure, but a survival strategy. This migration helps them avoid the brutal Arctic winter and find food more readily. Evolved to be lightweight, these birds are built for endurance. Favoring gliding over laborious flapping, they harness the power of ocean breezes to traverse long distances without expending much energy. They have even mastered the art of sleeping and eating while in flight. Yet, the Arctic tern's journey is not without its detours. Tracking has revealed that these birds often fly thousands of miles off track to take advantage of favorable weather and abundant food sources. While most return to their original nesting grounds, some have been discovered off course in far-flung corners of the globe, like South Africa and Australia. The Arctic tern's migration is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. It's a story of survival and endurance, of a small bird with a mighty spirit, willing to travel the ends of the earth in pursuit of warmth and sustenance. And in its journey, the Arctic tern teaches us a lesson about the importance of adaptation, the power of resilience, and the unyielding drive for survival that defines all life on this beautiful planet we call home.